Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Thompson, and in this video today I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your money from the Binance platform to your bank account in Nigeria. Okay, now this process is very easy. It's something that is going to be straightforward, so I wouldn't want to waste much of your time, so let's get started. So on the interface of the Binance platform on your mobile, okay, on the mobile app, what you just need to do is this: you click on this P2P trading. Now this process we'll be using here is on the mobile platform, but the same thing is applicable if you are doing your withdrawal from the desktop, okay, be it on your laptop or your desktop. Okay, it's the same process. Okay, so what you need to do first and foremost is to locate the P2P trading icon on your app, which is where my mouse is. Okay, then you click on it. If you click on it, it's going to take you to this interface. Okay, but before even taking us to this interface, I want to show you something first and foremost. Let's go to the main home. Okay, the money has to be on your funding wallet for you to be able to transfer the money to your bank account. Okay, now the process of transferring the money to your bank account, I'm going to show you that in the latter part of this video. Okay, so let me show you the wallet that where your money has to be for you to be able to transfer the money. So you come down here, you can see here where they wrote wallet here, where you see my mouse here. You click on this wallet, then the wallet will bring you here. Now when you get to this interface, it's going to be on this overview. When you first get in here, it's going to be on this overview. Then when you look up here you see overview, you see spot wallet, you see funding wallet. Okay, now on this spot wallet, if your money is on this spot wallet, you'll not be able to transfer it directly to your bank account. So you need to move the money. If you have the money here, just let's assume that this BNB here we have here, want to send it to my bank account. Okay, we need to move this BNB. So we're going to click on this transfer. We're going to click on this transfer here. Okay, then we're going to choose this funding wallet because we are sending the money to funding wallet. Okay, we are sending the money to this wallet because it's only from this wallet, this funding wallet, that you'll be able to transfer the money to your account. So we need to send money from this spot wallet to this funding wallet. Okay, so that's the reason why we click on transfer here. Now when you click on this transfer here, it's going to bring you here. So as you can see from up here, see from spot wallet to funding. Okay, so we're going to come here and choose if it is BTC that you want to send. Okay, now the issue is truly you cannot send BTC directly to your bank account. So you need to sell this BTC to somebody that needs your BTC, and the person is going to credit your bank account. That is the real method of sending the money to your bank account, because truly as it is now, you cannot transfer money directly from Binance to your bank account. Okay, and why is it like that? It's because of the current ban of cryptocurrency in Nigeria. So there's a restriction of sending money directly from Binance to Nigerian bank account. So don't worry, don't get confused. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do this. Okay, so if the money is on BTC, if it is BTC you have, I'm going to show you how you're going to give this BTC for cash. Okay, but you remember in this case we have BNB. I just showed you BNB. Okay, so we're going to look for BNB. Okay, this is BNB. Okay, so we're going to say max. So we're going to transfer this money from here, okay, to our funding wallet. We're going to transfer it to our funding wallet. Okay, so you can now see that the BNB is here in our funding wallet. Okay, the BNB is here in our funding wallet. So the money has to be in your funding wallet. So you can see we have BNB here in our funding. You can see it's funding wallet up here. So we have the BNB here. So when you have the money here, this is where you now be able to give this your coin. Like as you can see here, you see I have USDT, I have Doge, and I also have BNB here. But we'll be using this USDT as a case study here. So I'm going to be selling this $8.24 here worth of USDT here to someone that is going to credit the equivalent of this dollar into my bank account. Okay, so that is just the process of how to transfer money from Binance to your bank account in Nigeria. So don't worry, I'm going to show you. So we're going to go up here now. I'm going to click on this P2P. Okay, you see P2P here. What are we trying to do? We are trying to go to somebody that we can give our USDT, our 8.24 USDT to, and the person is going to credit our bank account. So we're going to click on this deposit, with this P2P rather, sorry. We're going to click on P2P. So when you click on this P2P, it's going to bring you to this interface. When you come to this interface, you're going to see buy up here, and you're going to see sell. We are going to click on sell because we are about to sell our USDT, right? We are not buying, we are selling our own USDT. So it's going to bring us to this interface, right? So when you scroll down, you're going to see different people that are ready to, you can see Verify Brave, you can see Comfort, you can see Ferran. All these guys are ready to take your USDT. You are going to give this guy, any of these guys, your USDT, and the person is going to credit your bank account. He's going to pay the equivalent of that USDT or that coin into your Nigerian bank account. Okay, so now because we are selling 8 USDT, let me say that 8 USDT should be equivalent of like 5,000 naira. So we're going to come up here. Let me just show you. We're going to click up here. We're going to click this up here so that we're going to filter. You see here where you wrote where they have filter here. We're going to click on this filter so that we'll see people that are ready to buy 8 USDT. Okay, so we're going to click here. I'm going to put like, let's say from 5,000 naira. That we are looking for somebody that is buying from 5,000 naira upward, right? So we're going to click that. And also you see there are different options here. You see bank transfer, you see cheaper cash, you see cash deposit to bank, you see go money, you see transfer with specific bank. No, we are going to choose this bank transfer because we want the person to transfer the money into our bank account in Nigeria. Then we're going to come down here and we'll click yes. Okay, so now you can see that all these guys here now, these are guys that are buying up to 5,000 naira worth of USDT, and they will pay the money into our bank account. Okay, so you're going to scroll. One thing I want you to look out for is you look at the percentage rate of the person. This percentage, you can see 100%, you can see 82%, you can see 100%. This shows the trustworthiness of the buyer. Okay, whoever you are selling your coin to. This means that if you say to somebody that has like 100% here, and you see the numbers of trade this person has carried out, 287 trade, it tells you that this guy is very reliable. He's going to credit your bank account very quickly, right? It's telling you that you can do business with this person. You can do it. This 82 is still very okay. So on the average, because you can see the guy has done 1,432 trade, which means he's also credible. You can sell to him. You can sell to this. Okay, this one also has 100% but 22 trade. It tells you that if you sell to these guys, they are going to credit your bank account quickly. Okay, so now we're going to come down. I'm going to choose either of these guys, but me, I'm going to choose let me see, I'm going to choose this guy. I just want to work with this Nwaziocha one. Okay, is buying at 6. This one is buying at 606.09, 606 points. But I want to choose this guy because my coin, that $8 might be more than 5,000 naira. There might be some fraction on that $8 rather. So I'm going to choose this guy. Then I'm going to click on this. You can see he has traded 3,658 trades, and he also has 92%. So it's good. Let's go with this guy here, Osarere. Now we are going to be selling to Osarere. Okay, Osarere has 28 trade. It's 100%, and it's going to buy our coin for 606 naira. Okay, so let's click on sell and sell this coin to him. Because we are selling everything, we're going to click on all. But if you are not selling everything, you're going to type the quantity you want to sell here. Okay, you could say 200, 100, or the whatever, or as the case may be, the number of coin you want to sell, you can put it here. But because we are selling everything, we're going to click on all. Okay, then I'm going to choose the bank account that I want him to pay the money into. Okay, I'm going to choose my bank account, and then I'm going to click on sell so that he's going to pay the money. He's going to pay the money into my bank account, and I'll be giving him this 8.24 worth of USDT. Okay, so let me click on sell. So after clicking on sell, I'm just going to be here waiting for him, okay, to credit my bank account. As soon as he credits my bank account, you're going to see this confirm receipt is going to be highlighted, and you're going to click on it, and it's going to get this your this 8.24 USDT, and it's going to pay this money into my bank account, 4,994 naira into my bank account. Now there's something I want you to understand here. At this point in time, you don't have anything to fear, because one, Binance is already in custody of this guys, this Osarere Godfrey USDT, so it cannot run away with your money. Okay, it's definitely going to credit your bank account. Okay, so all you just need to do at this point in time is to wait for him to credit your bank account. Then you go to your bank app to make sure that the money is truly there in your bank account before you can come down here and click on this confirm receipt for him to be able to get this USDT. Okay, for Binance to be able to release this USDT to him. While you are waiting, you can just come up here and check his message. You can see chat here. You can click on it. You can see some of these guys, they are very funny. Some of them will charge you 100 naira, but ordinarily he is not supposed to charge you 100 naira here. But you can see in this case, it's charging 100 naira. If you are okay with it, you can decide to say, okay, proceed. You can decide to say proceed. Okay, guys, I got a confirmation from my bank that I received an alert, and I also got a message from Binance that the buyer has paid the money into my account. Let me just show you. This is the message I got from Binance. Okay. See, this is the message I got from Binance. It said the buyer has marked P2P order 30 as paid. Okay, I got this message from Binance, and I also logged into my bank account. I checked and I discovered that he has actually paid. He paid the money into my bank account. Let me show you the exact credits that he paid. Okay, you can see this is it. This is the money he paid into my account. You can see Osasare Geoffrey. Okay, he paid the money into my account. So that is how you can transfer your money from Binance into your Nigerian bank account. That is how to withdraw your money from Binance into your Nigerian bank account. There is no direct way of transferring or withdrawing money from Binance directly into your Nigerian bank account. You have to go through this method of P2P. Okay, so after receiving the money from the buyer, you now come to your Binance account and you click on this confirm receipt. Okay, when you click on confirm receipt, then you confirm that you've actually received the money from the buyer. Okay, then I'm just going to copy my authentication code and paste it there and tell Binance now that Binance can release the money to him. So I just told Binance that okay, I've confirmed to have received the money from the buyer, and they can go ahead and transfer the money to him. Okay, so and transfer the coin, the USDT, to him. So Binance is now going to release my USDT to him while he has credited my bank account. Okay, so that's just the process of transferring your money from Binance to your bank account in Nigeria. Now I want to believe you got value from this video, and I would really appreciate you liking this video and also subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also remember to click that notification button so that when next I post another valuable like this, you'll be the first to get to see it. Okay, thank you for taking your time to watch my video. Take care and bye bye.